Mama wakwaba medin ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Felix appear political zone and na okase me brother ba kope. Mo amoso mo pe brother Felix na semino or YouTube political zone. O search ebeba na wa kwa akohwe no. Ebi mo Ay3ka so mo pe na sempa into YouTube and na Facebook political zone with me akwa akohwe no. Felix appear and na okase na ne nsema okay na ne say eye na no Captain Smart nsemu okodi wo Obuasi no waye nhwehwem na ne ekoba nyina ne say Captain Smart and na onua TV form call ho no omo di nkan efre epe baby a NDC photo omo abapa and na Captain Smart and ne form call ho na yehwe video na Captain e call ho no me no NPP focasa no aka omo ahye NDC focasa no ama no omo akasa enam so na ede ntokwa eba ene no na Felix appear ehwese Captain Smart de o ye ntokwa bebo Captain Smart ntokwa bebo ye kan wonte ntokwa ba youth no mo hwehwe Captain Smart ni fie kwan because ne na no koye wo Obuasi ede na chese ntimi fe ntokwa ba anka journalist de nka de okoye wo Obuasi nke fa ho ben ka journalist awo kasa de nka NPP na NDC fo wakun ben na musuban akoda na de wo ho ntia na Captain Smart e ko Obuasi no oye man be interview na me share interview no na me hu se amanfo kasa Captain onya credible no to me baby me kasa e bia ye because e bia wo bo NPP fo achinti no mo se onya credible no ho de me problem but video back bia me share Captain Smart I say man be ekotu galamsey na e me say pit no ebugu ne so na ase ne nse nyina ase Captain oye boy the interview no ase wo bisa na questions no kamia question ka wo ba besu ase obi ane rahu bi wo na wo propaganda na wo ye wo dim se kromi ha no his excellency na narodan kwakufado e de ne presidency atoso so obeko atia galamsey Chise galamsey who expose amba ayefa his excellency na dan kwakufado no ho na Captain Smart wa kodina unia TV na wo kensem and now no journalist for mo say his excellency na dan kwakufado ni krum chebi one day echi why galamsey wo ho and man for the camera ko ho no megu his excellency na dan kwakufado na ni mase obi a wo journalist a galamsey ho asemba obedina TV so kan as if say you are fighting for galamsey no obi a ko galamsey amlemu na say abu agone so obi suma na so onko what's mo kwa the permit na mo ya ne se ne ese na ese na western region amanfo a wonya yale akese won yesem ketu akwa western region de che say asase ni nyina say galamsey nti ukokan wose ye enso journalist for politicians mo na mo shirt echi na galamsey ne kono NCP ensita kwakugu ahe etumi kodina galamsey site se mo to mayen na yeba yeba na mo aye galamsey Radi Yakubu. Ebusafo de yenti ensema Felix appear oye investigation efa nano ensema course wo Obuasi no ho edituya.
Same person wants to go and play with the intelligence of the people in Obuasi, especially the NDC youths, because most of them do the galamsey. Make Captain Smart Maba said the beya Mugalamsey na yaji free mun semuno mun kabin tira aban no me yeah little research bi no me anka some investigation kakra bi and I catch me say 3 days and sana sa ade we e be koso no wo mo share da ye say baby a place wo no mo to abadema NDC pai ho no be kwakoye no so first and foremost watch oh kwakoye
Ebusafo ensemwe na Felix appear aka yenti ensem no enchaso
ni na etumi ba ana meboa njankenye homo na nkako center NPP beba NDC beba so 3 they had gone there and scouted the place and who baby here more NDC oriented some sources na boa me so me boa but I know say it is a sure source because with the trajectory of how things played, you know, that was the agenda they set. And all they were trying to do in this anka, young party and this phony be bring ho. Now most of the people ne benya mic ne dia kasa ne NDC for them kwaya bashing against the government nkwa. Yeah. So the NPP also gathered the intel. And then they decided, okay, if anything crana, and so about a MC, you know. So what you say now beg permission, and so we call assembly. Now call permission, say, my basse move say. None of that was properly done. But when they got attacked, they were able to go to the police to go and report. I feel there. Now, the whole thing he was trying to do is what you just saw, the you know. So my question to Uganda me, Mammy, I will share me, I will join this. TNE. Aqua we said that I'm saying, Yama Mumban in Jaya because I say in Suno, and into a better TV swap, would dear buy at him. Most of the I'm saying, I'm a man in the Copedi and the Bremudi, and I'm a boy. And also, you are buying stop. I buy first soldier from around no mess to shoot to my man in Quam. I say. Abaya started, yes, sir. Only Pakuna or no Babaya is a buying first soldier for command on I say, I then the soldier for no, and what I say, management. Into the Ababa say, mention was a boy. Not so Jane, civilians, no none to quanto, not crash Obuasi, Ijatu, Obuasi. And you people are watching this guy? You people think he's for Ghana? Now take it in. Upon accounts, no. For you to say, Utie, media men, Ediako say, Mo Koneya Shesabi Galamse Mukina because I buy no ACC Galamse for me. Then we have a problem. I want you to listen to this. This is simple. Black and white, sir. I'm going to put in a full million crying. And one day she said, and a full black and white. And we said, there. I said, trying to defend you, you are not going to be some. Chemicals are the cross are good in your idea. As soon as I swear the bank, and I know what you. But what to say? You're locking Crawford beat him for some days. Into what did the intelligence of those people could grow? I could play say you are for them. I could make it look like say you are supporting them when indeed you are not supporting them. You just want chaos. Into picture says Santokwa 1-on-1 is see, you know. Ka NDC 40 gumu, NPP 40 gumu, na papa. Adia ba kopa or koyeno. Wame jato Obuasi. Properties are going to be destroyed. Probably lives are going to be lost. People are going to be injured. And you people are not thinking about it.